Greetings and welcome to installment 19 of the Huntron Quick Tip video series. In this quick tip video, we're going to be examining how to use the Huntron Workstation archive feature. In quick tip number 4, we learned how to clean up the Component Scans tab by deleting non-reference scans. In some cases, this can be very useful, but say for this instance that we don't want to completely get rid of these scans. That is where the archive feature becomes beneficial. The Workstation archive feature moves non-reference sequence scan information from active tables to archive tables in the working database. This frees up memory for the Workstation application and improves the overall performance. Because those scans are archived, they can be moved back to the active tables in the working database at any time. In the Workstation Edit menu, we'll start by selecting Archive Board Non-Reference Scans. Workstation will search the database for all the non-reference scans that were part of a sequence scan and store them outside the active database. Looking at the Component Scans tab in the tree pane, we can see that only the reference scans remain. When bringing back non-reference scans to the active database tables, you can choose which scans are unarchived. To do this, we'll begin by selecting Unarchive, Delete, Board Non-Reference Scans from the Edit menu in Workstation. A Sequence Scan Archive window will open that lists all the scans that were archived for this board. Using the Control or Shift keys, I'll select just a few of these scans to unarchive. The option to select scans and delete them is also available here. After those scans are selected, clicking the Unarchive button will restore those scans to the sequence in which they were performed. We can see in the Component Scans tab that the 3 archived scans we selected were restored to the working database. That is how to use the Huntron Workstation archive feature. Be sure to check out our other technical support quick tips on our website under the Technical Support menu or on our YouTube channel, Huntron Quick Tips playlist. Thanks for watching.